So Burano is very, very beautiful. Small little island in Venice. Very close to Torcelli. And just beyond this little church is that clock tower, that leaning clock tower that I showed earlier. And they've already strapped it to prevent it from collapsing more. Because if you can strap both sides, then the side that's most stressed will be supported by the side that's less stressed. Isn't this just gorgeous? Little bridge, all these boats, these wonderful, colorful homes. There's the sea or the lagoon. Beautiful mini canal. So my friend is looking for some gelato. He says there's some cheap gelato over here, so hopefully we can find some. He loves gelato. I like it, but I prefer ice cream. Wow, look at that beautiful bridge. Very old, very simple. Looks a bit like the Devil's Bridge on Torcelli without the handrail. Ah, you found some gelato.
Gelato. After 8.
Ooh, after 8. How much?
€3.
€3 for one ball or just one big? Oh, that's a big ball though.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad. Huh? I might get some. Well, after 8, huh?
And
good.
They have
Okay.
a good selection.
Very good selection. Okay, well, I'm going to go get some gelato. Before I do that, let me just climb up this bridge to give you a view of this bridge. Oh, I think someone wants to take a picture. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Wow, I love it. I guarantee you that most people who come to Venice never come to these islands. So if you come visit Venice, take the hop on, hop off boat for the whole day. It's only €25. Takes you anywhere where you want to go. There's no time schedule. Well, I mean, there's time schedules, but I mean, there's no rush. Like if you want to spend more time at one place, you can. And you can visit all these different islands. It's a great way to travel. I mean, €25, you can't beat it. I don't know what a water taxi would cost, but even the public transit, the public water taxi transit, it's not cheap. There, you can see the leaning tower there. It's leaning quite a bit. They say it's about 1.8 meters off its axis, which is quite a lot. And like I was mentioning, you can see those strappings. It's really difficult to see here. Yeah, right there. See that yellow strap? That's to keep the bell tower area intact, I would imagine. They say it's stable, so let's hope so. I mean, it's leaning in the right direction. If it does fall, at least it will fall towards the sea. It won't fall into where people are living, into the populated areas. So, well, okay. I'm gonna get some gelato, and that's all for now. There it is. Gelateria. Here I come.